If you watch this video to the end, I guarantee you it will help you book a meeting today. That's right, today. Unless you're watching this at midnight, then obviously I can't help you. But if it's today, I got you. So let's dive right into it. So the tip here on winning with Navigator is clicking follow your company. Now, some of you may already know this. You may be like, Morgan, I knew this tip already. We talked about this. Well, let's dive a little bit deeper. So there's a couple things you need to consider. First and foremost, first degree connection. So you can see all the people that are first degree connected to you that already follow your company. This is insanely valuable information. This is crazy. So now you know that they have interest, right? Because no one would randomly click follow if they didn't have interest in what you were doing, right? So now I can immediately see what's going on and reaching out to these individuals because they are first degree connections. That's fantastic. But wait, there's more. So comment already if you got value. If you got to this point, you're like, wait, I didn't even know this. You got value. But we got more. We got more. So what we're also going to do is with following your company, we're going to double down on something I showed you the last time, which is viewed your profile recently. So these are people that follow your company and they viewed your profile. Please don't tell me this is insanely valuable information. So now we can also load these people up. We could save them to lists, which we'll talk about in the next video from there. And so there's three different plays you can run with this. One is if they follow your company and they're a first degree connection, I would reach out to them, literally make a video and say, hey, notice that you follow our company. And I'm curious what prompted you to follow us or what content sparked your attention. Guess what? That starts a conversation that can lead into what you want, right? Second play is first degree, follow your company, viewed your profile recently, and you can make them a video and say, hey, notice you viewed my profile recently. Want to see how I can help. Notice that you follow our company. You're probably familiar with the content we put out there. What sparked your attention? So you notice I added a little bit there. I'm saying, hey, I noticed that you viewed our profile. Notice that you like some of our content or engage with our content because you followed us, and then ask, how can I help? Right. And then the function of not first degree. So you want to connect with them. This is super simple. So they viewed your profile or even follow the company. You could send them a connection request. This is the one time I'd recommend this, right? And say, hi, William. Notice that you follow the company and you viewed my profile. It'd be great to connect and understand what prompted you to follow us or what content sparks your attention. Because typically, why do people click the follow button on a company? It's because they're a customer, but most of the time it's because they're engaged with content. So we want to get that first degree connection so we can do the things I tell you all about. Voice notes, videos, but don't send a voice note to Katie. Don't do that, right? Don't send it to Kevin Dorsey because you're not going to convert that. But everything else, we want to send a voice note and video, right? So hopefully y'all found this wisdom and insight to be helpful today. Again, we're going to do this continuously. If you want more of these videos, let me know in the comment section. But Morgan, we want more. I mentioned your teams because the more love y'all show, the more love I can give y'all on these tips. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it and have a blessed one.